Hi, I'm Ben. I'm here to learn English.
And I'm Emma. I'm here to help.
Let's learn together.
Let's learn together. Hey everyone. Welcome back to English with Emma and Ben. I'm Emma.
And I'm Ben. We are so happy to have you with us again. Thanks for tuning in.
Today we're just having a chill chat. Nothing serious, just some friendly conversation. It's a great way for you to practice listening to real English, right?
Exactly. Sometimes you don't need grammar books. You just need to hear people talk naturally. So that's what we're doing today.
How's your day going so far?
It's good. I had a lazy morning. I made some scrambled eggs, had a big cup of coffee, and then I just sat by the window doing nothing. It felt great.
That sounds perfect. I actually had kind of a busy morning. I did laundry, cleaned the kitchen, and then I realized I hadn't eaten anything. So I grabbed a banana and rushed out the door.
A banana breakfast. Classic.
Yep, better than nothing. What about yesterday? Did you do anything fun?
Yeah, I met up with an old friend. We hadn't seen each other in like a year. We went to this little cafe downtown, super cozy place with amazing chai lattes.
Ooh, I love chai. Was it crowded?
Not really, just a few people on laptops doing work, the usual coffee shop vibe.
Nice. I stayed home yesterday and rewatched some episodes of Brooklyn Nine-Nine. I needed a good laugh.
That show is so funny. I love Captain Holt. His face is always serious, but he says the funniest stuff.
Exactly. His delivery is perfect. Do you usually watch shows in English?
Yeah, I try to. I even keep subtitles on so I can follow better. It really helps with learning new phrases.
Same here. Sometimes I even pause and repeat the sentence, especially when it's a cool phrase or something I want to remember.
So many of our listeners do that too, I bet. It's such a good habit.
Totally. You pick up little things like I'm in, or sounds good, or no worries.
Yeah, real everyday stuff that textbooks don't always teach.
Right. So, anyway, weekend plans?
Hmm, I think I'm just gonna take it easy. Maybe go for a walk if the weather's nice. I've been wanting to get out of the house more.
Good idea. I might visit my cousin. She just got a new puppy, and I can't wait to meet him.
A puppy? What kind?
A golden retriever. She says he's super playful, but also already chewed up her favorite shoes.
Ah, the puppy life. Gotta hide your shoes.
For real. But they're so cute. You forgive them instantly.
Always. Dogs are the best.
So true. I think our listeners are enjoying this little chat. It's just a simple way to hear real English in action.
Yeah, we didn't plan this out or anything. We're just talking, like two friends catching up.
And that's a great way to learn. You don't need to understand every word. Just follow the vibe and enjoy the conversation.
Exactly. It's okay to relax and listen. Learning can be fun and easy. Emma, sometimes I think these chats help me just as much as they help our listeners.
Me too. It's kind of like free therapy, just talking about everyday life with a friend, but in slow English.
Exactly. And we get to talk about all kinds of random stuff. Like today, breakfast, puppies, TV shows.
Don't forget banana breakfasts and chai lattes.
Oh, yeah, the essentials of life.
By the way, I've been thinking of trying something new this week, maybe learning a little Spanish.
That's cool. Why Spanish?
Well, I met a tourist yesterday who only spoke Spanish. I wanted to say more than hola and gracias, but I froze.
Yeah, that happens. Even when we know the words, it's easy to panic when we're face to face.
Exactly. That's why practicing with someone, like we do here, is so important.
That reminds me. Some of our listeners ask how they can practice English conversation when they don't have someone to talk to.
Oh, I love that question. So here's what I suggest: pretend you're talking to someone and speak out loud. It feels a bit weird at first, but it really works.
Totally. I used to talk to myself when I learned French. Like, okay, Ben, let's make some tea. Or, what do I want for dinner?
Yep. It helps your brain get used to thinking in English.
And listening to podcasts like this one helps too, because you hear real English, not just textbook English.
So true. Also, repeat what you hear. You can pause the podcast and say the sentence out loud.
That's actually one of the best ways to improve pronunciation.
By the way, do you remember the weirdest word someone has ever asked you to explain?
Oh, yes. Someone once asked me what hangry means. Hungry plus angry.
I love that word. I get hangry all the time when I skip lunch.
It's so real. You go from a nice person to a monster in 10 minutes.
Language is funny like that. So many small words can carry big feelings.
Yup, like meh. It's not even a real word, but everyone understands it.
Exactly. And aw, that one sound can say so much.
Or ugh, when nothing goes right.
All right, Ben. I think we should wrap things up. My tea is getting cold over here.
Haha, mine too. But this was such a nice chat.
Always is. And for our lovely listeners, thank you for being here with us today. We love having you.
If you enjoyed this easy, casual chat, give us a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel, and maybe share it with a friend learning English.
And hey, if you want more episodes like this, let us know in the comments.
We read every message, and we love hearing from you.
Until next time, stay curious, stay kind, and keep practicing.
Bye, everyone. Talk to you soon.
Bye.